Today we are going to let you to guess which balloon can float up on the water. Now we put the water into the balloon. And then we will tie it.
可以了没有
And then we will cut some
？The
more.
useless thing. 咔嚓
Okay, and then we will put this into water. You think which one will float? This was the cold water,
This was
and
the
this is the
hot
hot water.
I think this will float.
3, 2.
For safety, I will pour this more hot water in this cup because this is hot water. Now guess which will float. I
3,
think mine this will float.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I float.
Why?
I float. I float. I float. 哦，太神了。Oh, the cold water's balloon will float, and the hot water's